All right, Beatrice, how are we doing?
Good.
And what are we doing today?
We're going to skydive.
To jump out of an airplane.
I am.
And what's wrong with the airplane?
Nothing.
Then what's wrong with you?
Nothing.
I agree. How long have you wanted to jump out of an airplane?
I just recently decided that I was going to do this.
But then you also decided that you're going to go through all the way through
Yes.
it. You don't mess around.
No, my boyfriend wants to be a base jumper, so he could have.
Oh, you guys got to work your way up.
Yes.
All right. Well, today's the day to go up there.
Yeah.
And then come back down here and expect a smile on that face the whole way
Yeah.
down. And who are you jumping with?
My brother.
Your brother. Is it his first jump as well?
Yeah.
Who's more scared, you or him?
Probably him.
Yeah, let's find out. How you doing? She says you're more scared than her.
No.
No?
I got this.
All right, well,
We'll see.
let's find you an airplane to jump out of.
All right.
Sound good?
Yep.
Alright, we need something like smart. So right between you.
Yeah.
All right, doors shut. No escaping for you now.
Nope.
Gotta go up, jump out of this plane.
All right.
Here we go.
so stoked.
All right.
I'm a little dizzy.
All right, it's nice accuracy there, Corey.
Yeah.
Welcome back.
Worth it?
Yeah.
Very
Awesome.
cool. So now you guys are caught up with your sister, right?
Yeah.
She's got one, you guys got one?
Right.
Got one.
Let's go back up.
Yeah. Ow!